Welcome back, guys. We're back in the garage. As you can see, we've got the toe reg on the ramp. It's a way to get some new rear brake shoes for the handbrake. And today we've got a new car coming, new project. Let me show you. Here it is, 2009 Mini Cooper 1.4. £150 I paid. Now I only bought it for the bonnet. However, the car's pretty good condition, 50k, might get it going. There's my other Mini, it's the other workhorse. See the bonnet I need? That's why I bought it. So yeah, let's get it started. So we've got this Mini hooked up to this Mini, trying to get some battery in it to get started. Just had to pump up the tyres. Got some mould growing inside here, lovely stuff. That should be okay, hopefully, if we get started. And here we go in, fucking let's see if this works. Final moment of truth. Nothing. The battery's dead as a dodo. Dead as a dodo. Oh yeah, that's good. Fuck. Okay, so we've cleaned the plugs. See if this makes a difference. There's the key. Need the key. Listen in. Nada. Let's see what the code reader's saying. Test. Two faults. Inlet camshaft sensor, exhaust camshaft sensor. Well, maybe go change them off the other Mini. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've changed the two camshaft position sensors for the other Mini. Let's see how this goes now. Oh, hopefully. Oh yeah, baby, we have liftoff. Oof, how good was that? Oh yeah, we've done it, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time to move it. Yeah guys, turn that off so it doesn't get copyrighted. It's only got 50k on the clock. Unbelievable. So yeah. Okay, so the Mini is started and it's been washed. Plans for it is we'll get an MOT and then we're probably going to sell it with some funds for a race car.